FitLab PGH back with a movement tip lifestyle hack, and here with the two Labradors, Puddin and Maggie, sleeping behind the passenger seat. We've just finished a walk in South Park, and then we've gone to our regular dog wash place, Woody's Do-It-Yourself Dog Wash and Pet Boutique. We take the dogs there about once a month because clean dogs and tired dogs are happy dogs. We're really happy to report that Puddin got our first dog wash card. So 9 dog washes, the 10th one is free. Maggie, next time she comes, gets her 10th one for free because she's becoming longer than Puddin. So consider supporting local businesses, take your dogs outside, and whenever in doubt, move more. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from Puddin and Maggie of FitLab PGH.